speaking of pressure, Ellen DeGeneres is done with her show. The talk show?
Yeah.
It's kind of a big talk show. I don't know if you knew how big it was.
Yeah. Unfortunately, I've only seen it through YouTube.
Yeah.
And wasn't doing too well after the whole incident.
Yeah.
But,
well, I mean, we're talking about thousands of episodes. Like, I think the sign there says Happy 3000. Oh. She has decided to wrap the show in 2022. Because there were allegations about her being mean. And those were the weirdest allegations. It was like, I mean, compared to other allegations, I should say.
Yes.
Like, it's not cool to be mean, but it's just that when you see a scandal, you're like, okay, what's the drama? What took place? And then people were like, you wouldn't believe it. She would come in there like a tyrant and this and that. And I'm like, well, I can kind of see that. But it's like, compared to a lot of the scandals that were popping off around that time, it was kind of buried a little bit only because there were people that had done more horrible things.
Yeah. You know what? I actually read an article about during this time, she had to, like, anyone who would go into her dressing room, they would have to eat gum because she has like a really sensitive like smell. And apparently that was a news story. Yeah. Where it was just like, yeah, she's so mean because she has to make everyone eat gum.
No, and I read a lot of stories exactly like that one. Like, oh, we went to do a bit or an interview with her, and no one was allowed to talk to her or look at her before the thing started. And I don't know. My take is you don't know what a person's going through. You don't know why they are the way. You don't know what it is that leads. It's not always the thing you're thinking, like, oh, they think they're so good. It could be, in some cases, their own insecurities. It could be their own neurotic tendencies. You just don't know. And by the way, I'm not suggesting that's what it was, because I don't know either. But either way, I don't necessarily think that's the reason to wrap this thing up. I think the reason to wrap this thing up is just because it did its thing. Yeah. I mean, it feels like an old thing now. And that's what happens in this business. Well, you either put it to bed or you go do something else or you pay attention to the changing times when it comes to content. Mm-hmm. This upcoming season will be the show's 19th season. Imagine what you're doing for 19 years, Will. You've barely been alive for 19 years. What you doing for 19?
Yeah.
So she's going to meet up with Oprah to discuss this news on May 13th. Imagine the big show.
It's always Oprah.
It's always Oprah.
Yeah, if you want to open up, you go to Oprah.
That's right. You just call up. It's like a special number. It's like it's like when you need Batman, you put the thing in the sky. When some big drama goes down, it's like, go get Oprah. Somebody's got to share some feelings. Go get Oprah.
And then it would be, at her house, and it's like super nice and calm.
Oh, it's unbelievable.
The whole setting.
Oh, it'll be beautiful. Yeah, whatever it is. I think they might do this just on Ellen's set. I don't know what they're going to do. But yeah, you go visit Oprah. It's like, it's like a rainforest and like the vegetation and the bird life. And
nature.
I don't even know how you maintain something like that. It looks so good like that. You know, there's a staff involved in that.
Yeah.
Oprah's got it. Did you know that? Oprah's got a staff? Could you imagine? Anyway, she says as well, and this is what I'm talking about, just putting it to bed. She says, when you're a creative person, you constantly need to be challenged. And as great as the show is and as fun as it is, it's just not a challenge anymore. So this is a way of saying, look, it ran its course.
Sure, yeah.
And it's a little bit of column A and column B if you look at the timing. Mm-hmm. I'm sure you got COVID. You got all the critique and criticism, which changes the mood and the vibe around a place. And you got the 19 seasons. Just a little bit of each.
Yeah.
Sprinkle a little bit in.
And you tried YouTube, like
you put content
out there. It's not like you're just like, oh, I don't want to be online media. I just want to be on TV. Mm-hmm. It's like you tried it.
Yeah. You did it all. You did a lot. And so that's my take on it is you never really fully encompassed the whole decision-making process in the single statement. But I'm guessing it's all those contributing factors that will lead you to really stand there. And of course, you got God money too, right?
Yeah.
So that's another factor.
God money.
You can add that to it. She got all the crypto. She got all the She's selling Bitcoin right now. She's not selling. She's trading it.
Yes.
For
responsibly.
Energy efficient crypto.
Yes.